Going through a divorce is never easy, but knowing what to expect can make the process smoother. If you're dealing with a divorce in Turkey, here's what you need to know about alimony, compensation, and financial settlements. There are two types of divorce in Turkey: contested and uncontested. In an uncontested divorce, both parties agree on all terms, making the process quicker, usually taking around a few months. The parties prepare a settlement agreement covering aspects like child custody, alimony, and property division, and then appear in court to get the agreement approved. The judge reviews the agreement and finalizes the divorce. In a contested divorce, the spouses disagree on key issues, requiring the court to intervene and make decisions. This process can take much longer, often over 2-3 years, depending on the complexity of the case and court schedules. Alimony support is financial assistance paid by one spouse to the other after a divorce. It's meant to ensure that the lower-earning spouse can maintain a similar standard of living. There are 3 types of alimony in Turkey: temporary alimony, granted during the divorce process to support the spouse in need; poverty alimony, awarded to the spouse who would face financial hardship post-divorce; and child alimony, support paid to the custodial parent for child-related expenses. Failing to pay alimony is not taken lightly in Turkey. If a spouse neglects their alimony payments, they could face imprisonment. This ensures that the obligated party adheres to the court's decision, providing financial stability for the receiving spouse. In some cases, one spouse may be required to pay compensation to the other. This can occur if one spouse is found to be at fault for the divorce, causing significant harm to the other. Compensation aims to address the emotional and financial impact of the divorce on the affected spouse. When it comes to dividing assets, Turkey follows the participation in acquired property regime. This means that assets acquired during the marriage are typically split equally between the spouses. However, personal property owned before the marriage or received as a gift or inheritance is usually excluded from this division. Here are some tips to help you navigate the process. Document everything, including assets, expenses, and communications, as this can be crucial during negotiations or court proceedings. Consider mediation, as it can be a less adversarial way to resolve disputes, often leading to more amicable settlements. Remember, every divorce is unique, and the outcomes depend on individual circumstances. By understanding the basics of alimony, compensation, and financial settlements, you can better prepare for what lies ahead. Stay informed and contact us if you need legal assistance.